Hey, I'm Jim Starwald here at Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate Star Homes, here with one of our absolute rock stars, Victoria Solberg. Victoria, what do you do for our team?
I am the listing and transaction coordinator for the team.
And what does that mean?
Oh gosh, I am overseeing the scheduling of your staging consultation, your professional photography for those selling houses with us, or if you're a buyer, I'm helping make sure everything is happening on time. I'm seeing, from the time that a contract is signed to closing, making sure all of the pieces are put together for everyone, and I do a lot of the paperwork behind the scenes work for the team.
So you're a very valuable part of the team. Half of a real estate transaction is finding a home for a buyer, selling a home for a seller. The other half is making sure that all of those details happen on time. But let me tell you, what do you really like about the vibe here at this office?
Man, it's a very professional environment, and it's a very kind of like family-oriented environment. I've always felt comfortable and supported at every turn with whatever question I might have, and it's been fantastic.
It's an interesting mix, isn't it? We're very professional, yet we're still fun. We goof around, and we've had other agents say they never come in, even if they come in a bad mood, they never leave in a bad mood.
It's never a dull moment.
Never a dull moment,
Never
we can say that. So what do you think sets us apart from other teams? You deal with a lot of them. Without saying anything negative about any other ones, what makes us better?
Without a doubt, the support, be it from our management, our team agents, our lenders, our attorneys. I have never not trusted that they would be there at a moment's notice with an answer for you. I mean, it's fantastic.
We've assembled an amazing team, like you said, between our home inspectors, lenders, everybody up and down the line. So Victoria, how do you think our team's values align with yours?
Well, I am such a huge fan of how the team is never really afraid of change and going one step further in our processes. We're ready to look into what can really make that experience better for both our agents and our clients at every time.
We do adapt very quickly, adapt and change, because every single transaction is different, every single one. So we need to be able to take care of that. But we do strive to make sure that your family comes first, including your chickens.
Oh yeah, all 6 of them.
Family first, then your clients, because you can't take good care of your clients if you're worried about what's going on at home. Then we take care of the team in the office. But anyhow, thank you for taking such great care of us. It's Victoria Solberg, our transaction coordinator at Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate Star Homes.